up, everybody? Hold on. Okay, guys, now I can talk to you. Today, I'm going to give you a little preview of what I got going on. Working on the mower today. We took off the deck yesterday. This is what it looks like. It's a Murray Select. Very nice mower. It's only a 13.5 horsepower, almost 14. Got the little John Deere trailer in here. It can hold over 200 pounds. Very nice trailer.
Yeah, it is.
And we got a nice, what does that say? I don't know. But it's a very nice mower. I just changed the oil on it, and very nice, you know. And I like it a lot. But I'm gonna do a little bit of stuff to it today. So we're gonna see what kind of modifications we can do to it. So let's get right to it. Okay, guys, so I got the mower done. I'm on it right now. I spray painted it a little bit of red. I got the trailer. We're gonna go see how this thing rides now. Guys, this is the end of this video. Looking so far so good, looking like a racing mower, and I'm gonna put a PVC pipe right here, and it's gonna go up right here, and it's gonna be like a little snorkel, and then I'm gonna try to look some stuff up to make this thing faster. But for now, I'm gonna put some new tires on here for sure. But for now, this thing looks pretty cool. Not even gonna lie. I did buy this thing for like $100. So there's gonna be a lot of mowing mud videos. Let me rephrase that. And there's gonna be a lot of fishing on this channel, a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys out. HG Fishing signing out.